We're here at the NDSM island for a special reason. It's in the north of Amsterdam, and nowadays it's called the creative hotspot of the country. The specific reason to invite the EHN on this place is we need to go across our own comfort zones. We need to discuss, we need to have new ideas, and what is more nice than to be here.
Oh, I'm looking very much forward to come together with all our members from across Europe and have very good discussions on heart health in Europe, because we have an ambition to have a European heart health plan. So it's great to hear how everybody is doing, what they are proposing, strategies, and have some fun as well. We're going on a boat already tonight and traveling the canals, so that's the first one. And then we go to a mill who is over 200 years old. It's a chalk mill, so we see a real Dutch mill, and we meet the miller.
Been 2 very inspirational days. I think it was a good combination of discussions and just listening sessions, and I like the program. It varies from everything from advocacy work to patient involvement and AI, so very good so far.
I look on an excellent annual workshop this year, whether it was the work on heart patients, research, data space, prevention, treatment, fundraising, resuscitation or communication. I think for each of us there were topics that brought more insights or new ideas, or finally the confirmation that I'm on the right track.
Did you get inspired by the Dutch activities for the next year in Stockholm?
Absolutely. We have been watching every details very closely, everything from the program you sent out in advance to the food, healthy food, we like that, and also the activities during the evenings, and yeah, everything. It's very good and inspirational. I hope to see everyone in Stockholm next year.